Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have our very own neoprene computer sleeve. So this is a very simple but effective way at keeping your dive computer or your watch in position on your wrist and basically making sure it doesn't go anywhere. So all it consists of really is sort of squishy, nice and stretchy sort of 3mm neoprene, and it always or already has a small cutout for a watch-sized dive computer. So how it works quite simply is you slip it over your wrist and over your dive computer, and it basically protects that strap so that when you're diving anywhere, that's not going to get interfered with. So if you brush up against anything, it's highly unlikely that that the buckle is going to undo at all, especially when you're wearing this. It's going to protect it from abrasions, but more importantly, it's going to protect the dive computer so that when your wetsuit starts to compress and get thinner, your dive computer isn't going to be rolling around to the other side of your wrist or sliding down your wrist. It stays exactly where you want it to, so you can always see your dive computer. So yeah, it comes as standard with a cut through for a watch-sized dive computer. But what we've also done is on the inside of it, is we've got these little dotted line cutouts. Now obviously the bigger circle is for a large sort of puck-sized dive computer like a Mares puck or sort of Aladdin G2 or something. Not a G2, the 2G, but we've also got this square one, and this is for larger screen dive computers. So I've got a Perdix with me today. Let's take a look at how to adjust it for your dive computer. Okay, so that was just a quick and sort of rough estimate on sort of how to sort of cut those out. Obviously, if your dive computer is a slightly different shape, then yeah, probably spend a bit more time doing that. I've got my Perdix on my wrist. So another benefit of this you'll see is a lot of sort of large screen dive computers, they obviously have lots of straps, and you don't really want to cut those away, because if you're changing between sort of warm water diving and cold water diving, then you need that sort of extra length of strap. So you can tuck that away and keep it nice and neat so that they're not sort of flapping around everywhere. And this one obviously I'd spend a bit more time sort of cutting out, but there it kind of wraps up those straps so they're not dangling all over the place. Your dive computer stays in the right position, and yeah, it just keeps everything neat and tidy. So that is the Simply Scuba Dive Computer Sleeve. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.